Cheers, guys. It's a good day to celebrate. I could drink to that. So, what's going on, everybody? If you are new here, my name is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and in this video, we are going to be going over a stock that I am heavily invested in called SOS Limited. They put out a great piece of information today and an update on their company, and we're going to hop right into it and dissect and exactly tell you guys what I think about the press release. But with that being said, let's hop right to it. Alright guys, so SOS had a very good day, up over 23%, is now sitting in the $8 range, a little bit above $8. But they had a wonderful day, and I actually called this one out on my TikTok last night. But you guys know here I'm very heavily invested in this stock. But on my TikTok I called out that I thought it was going to have a big move soon. The move happened to come today. 23%. I still think this one has more to go. But let's hop in exactly to what SOS has said and exactly what press release they released today. If you guys didn't know, they released a great piece of information, and we're going to go through that now. Alright guys, so early this morning, right before the market opened at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, SOS released their press release, and it is this. SOS installs their second batch of 5,000 cryptocurrency miners and gives first quarter mining projections. So we're just going to go read through this really quickly, and I'll tell you guys what I think after that. So, SOS Limited announced today that it has successfully installed its second fleet of 5,000 cryptocurrency mining rigs. Together with its prior fleet of 5,000 mining rigs, the company expects the combined fleet to have the capacity to calculate an average of 353 petahashes per second for mining Bitcoin and 707 gigahashes per second for mining Ether. These hash rates are subject to numerous factors, including downtime, maintenance time, reconfiguration, and other variable factors that may materially impact computing performance in the future. The company also announced that on February 24th of 2021, it was awarded its first Bitcoin from successful mining activities. SOS Chairman Yandai Wang commented, "This is a significant milestone for our company to memorialize this event. SOS is creating a commemorative gold coin that will serve as a tangible representation of our first mined Bitcoin. We anticipate that this will be the first of many future mining successes as we continue to execute our cryptocurrency mining strategy." The company's board of directors also commissioned an independent review of the company's cryptocurrency mining activities. As part of the review, payments from multiple mining pools were traced to SOS through the public Bitcoin and ETH blockchain ledgers. The review also validated SOS's control over certain electronic wallets and that the rate of Bitcoin and ETH payouts received in those wallets was generally consistent with the expected productivity of the company's deployed fleet based on its hash rate capacity. The company expects to generate at least 41 Bitcoins and 909 Ethereum in the first quarter of 2021, based on various assumptions relating to its downtime for its fleet, worldwide hash power, and other operating conditions. SOS Chief Financial Officer Stephen Lee elaborated, "These expected mining results reflect only a partial quarter of operations, since our current fleet of mining rigs was only recently installed during the first quarter. Our output should grow in future quarters as we receive and install our third batch of mining rigs and have a full quarter of operations for our current rigs." These mining results do not include any financial results for the company and do not address the company's other non-mining operations, such as the company's marketing data, technology, and solutions for emergency rescue services. So, after that press release, what do I think about the company? Well, I am more bullish than ever on this company. They have consistently exceeded our expectations as investors. To come out with a press release, they really helped out their shareholders. They come out with a press release every time the stock price is in danger, and I'm very, very happy with how transparent and consistent this company's management has been with releasing their press releases. Now, they said that they mined their first Bitcoin on February 24th of 2021. This is huge news. Huge news. That means they have been mining before that, and now they finally have that second batch of their 5,000 mining rigs up and running. So now they have a total of 10,000 rigs in place, and they're expecting a little over 5,000 more to come mid-April. Hopefully they will update us on that sooner. The second batch of rigs came a lot earlier than the expected date. It was actually supposed to get delivered today, but they came a lot earlier. And hopefully this third batch also comes earlier, and we will be hoping to get a release from the company when that does ship and get to the company itself. Now, in terms of stock price, the stock jumped 23% today. They now have 10,000 mining rigs up and running. They should be close to Mara and Riot's. So, just to compare SOS and Riot. So, as you guys know, Riot is another Bitcoin mining company. They currently have 15,040 miners, and SOS will have, at the end of their third delivery, 15,675, making SOS the biggest Bitcoin mining company in the world. Not only are they going to have the most rigs in a company, they will also be releasing their cryptocurrency insurance to insure Bitcoin wallets and to try to keep cryptocurrency investments safe and protected. This is going to be a huge market as cryptocurrency expands into the future. Not only that, SOS has their original business plan, business model that they also do operate. So I am very excited for when they finally fully have all these mining rigs set up, and when they get all of their revenue from their other businesses and finally set up the insurance for cryptocurrencies. I'm excited to hear more about that. We do not know much about that right now, but I am excited to hear more. When all of that does come to a fruition, I do believe that this company stock price will be $40, $50, I don't know. But right now, I'm putting a stock price target of $25 in the next 6 months on SOS. I will probably start taking my profits around $20 per share unless more news comes out. But right now, I'm extremely bullish on this company, and it is heavily shorted, which is dangerous because it is a very bullish company. And they do release press releases every couple of days, it seems like, and they do help their shareholders out. But with that being said, let me know if you guys are also bullish on the company, or if you're bearish. Let me know down in the comments below. I really do appreciate everyone's input on my predictions and what maybe I believe in, you do not believe in. But also, I want to make sure you guys are doing your own due diligence when it comes to investing. Investing is not a gamble, but it is a risk, and you need to be prepared to lose some money if you are going to invest. But with that being said, if you guys enjoyed all this information, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I hope everyone has a great night. Also, consider subscribing to the channel if you have not subscribed already. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.